Hi, today I'm going to show you how to do two-digit subtraction using the box it in method. In third grade we do not teach the algorithm, so this is just another way to think about subtracting, especially when you need to regroup one of the places. So I'm going to show you today how it works. So this is called box it in. So we're going to do two digits today. So we're going to start with 94 and we're going to subtract 15. Now, like I tell my students, we want to make sure that we line up the ones column and the tens column so that our number is written correctly and it makes it easier to keep the places together. So when we do the box it in method, what we want to do is we want to rewrite the problem and we want to keep the big number, the subtrahend. So we're going to keep 94 right out here. And then we're going to subtract each place. So we're going to start with the ones place, and there's a 5 in the ones place. So we're going to minus 5. Now if we look, we still want to teach them to think about the place. So if you have 4 something, you don't have enough to take 5. And since we don't teach the algorithm, what we do teach them to do is to go ahead and box in the next place. So instead of thinking about 4 minus 5, we think 94 minus 5. And then we simply count back 5. I've shown my children how to draw the box at draw the dots if they need to draw the dots to help them count back. And we do 93, 92, 91, 90, 89. And so 94 minus 5 is 89. The next step I do is I want to make sure now that I go back and subtract in the tens place. And since there is a 1 in the tens place, it has a value of 10. So now we subtract 10. And this is where all my students laugh. They say, this is so easy. There are 2 ways to do it. One, you might know what 10 less than 89 is. Or you can still do it this way, which is a whole lot easier for my kids, because they say there's nothing in the ones to have to do. You just write your 9. And then you do 80 minus 10, which is 70. And so the answer we get is 79. So the difference between 94 and 15 is 79. Let's try one more problem together. Let's do 51 minus 34. Again, I want to make sure that my numbers are lined up. My ones are with the ones, my tens are with the tens. And I rewrite my problem so I can show my work. And I'm going to start with 51. I kept the top number, and I'm going to subtract the first place, which is 4. In the ones place has a value of 4. And so then we're going to subtract. If I have 1, can I take 4? I can't. So I box in the next place, and I think 51 minus 4. And then I can count back. 50, 49, 48, 47. 51 minus 4 is 47. And now I'm going to subtract the tens place. There's a 3 there, and the value of 3 tens is 10, 20, 30. So I'm going to subtract 30. And 7, take away 0 is 7. And 4 minus 3 is 1. And so we have the number 17. So the difference between 51 and 34 is 17. I hope that was able to help you today, and that will help you get through two-digit subtraction. Have a great day.